Myself M. Sureka, lecturer in physics, Government Degree College, Pittapuram. Today's topic is curvature. It is the one of the monochromatic aberration. Here, monochromatic aberration means even though we are using the single wavelength light, that is mono, means single, mono wavelength light, that is monochromatic light, we come across some defects in the image. This is due to the this defect in image is due to the lens. This type of aberration is known as monochromatic aberration. Monochromatic aberration are 5 types, that is spherical aberration, astigmatism, curvature and distortion. Today we deal about the curvature and distortion also. First topic is curvature of the field. Curvature means the image of an extended object due to a single lens is not flat, but it will be a curved surface. That is, the object is in flat surface, but the image formed by the lens is curved surface. So object is flat, image must be flat, but here in this case of aberration, image is like a curved surface. Here the central portion of the image near the axis is in focus, but at the outer region the image from the axis are blurred, that is not clear. The image at the center is in focus, okay, but at the corners the image is blurred. Here what is the reason behind this is the paraxial focal length is greater than the marginal focal length. This defect is called curvature of the field. See here, it take the object is in a flat surface, but we get the image at the like a curved surface. This defect is nothing but the curvature. Here it is a convex lens. In case of concave lens also we get the image like in a curved surface. Even though object is flat, we get the image in curved surface. This defect is known as curvature. Like this. It is a flat surface. It is a image is a curved surface. This effect is due to lens. So it is a monochromatic aberration, one of the monochromatic aberration, that is curvature aberration. Here how to minimize the curvature aberration. Curvature aberration can be eliminated by placing stops in the suitable position in front of the lens. Curvature of the field may also be eliminated by using meniscus shaped lenses in combination with suitable stops. And second way of eliminating curvature is theoretically, curvature means it consists of the image consists of the radius of curvature. This radius of curvature between the condition between the radius of curvature and refractive index of the lens and the focal length of the lens is like this. See here, 1 by r is equal to sum of 1 by mu n fn, that is 1 by r is equal to 1 by mu 1 f1 plus 1 by mu 2 f2 plus 1 by mu 3 f3 and so on. Here r is the radius of curvature of the final image radius of curvature. Mu n fn are the refractive index and focal length of n lenses. If we take the n lenses combine, then we get the image also like a curved surface, curved image. that image curvature is r. If it is infinite, then we get the image like a flat surface. From here, this is the condition for minimizing the curvature, that is curve shape of the image converted into flat surface, that is r becomes infinite. If r equal to infinite, sigma 1 by mu n is equal to 1 by infinite, that is equal to 0. If you take this condition, if you take the two lenses placed in air, then 1 by mu 1 f1 plus 1 by mu 2 f2 is equal to 0. Like from this, then we get mu 1 mu 2 f2 plus mu 1 f1 by mu 1 mu 2 f1 f2 equal to 0. From this we can get the mu 1 f1 plus mu 2 f2 is equal to 0. From this, mu 1 f1 is equal to minus mu 2 f2. From this, f1 by f2 is equal to minus mu 1 by f1 by f2 is equal to minus mu 2 by mu 1. Here the negative sign indicates the if we take the two lenses, one of the lens must be convex and the other lens must be concave. This is known as Pijewal's condition for elimination of curvature. Which condition? This condition. This condition is nothing but Pijewal condition for elimination of curvature. Here mu1 mu2 are the radius of curvatures and f1 f2 are the focal lengths of the two lenses. Here the negative sign indicates that one of it is concave and other is convex. This condition holds good either when the lenses are in contact or separated by a distance. Okay, this is the condition for eliminating curvature. Next topic is distortion. What is meant by distortion? The variation in the magnification produced by the lens for different axial distances produces a aberration is called distortion. That is, here this is the object. This is the object. When we go from the center, away from the center, the image formed like this or like this. In both the cases, in this case away from the axis towards the away from the axis, the magnification is decreased. Magnification is decreased in this case. In this case, magnification is increased. That is, image distance by object distance is decreased in this case, and in this case, image distance by object distance decreased case is barrel shaped distortion. Like this, we'll see in clear way. See here, at the center, here is the object. If we draw a line like this, here from axis center towards the axial point, here at the center towards the axial point, here at this corner away from the center, magnification is decreased. Magnification means image distance is image size is decreasing. When compared to this, image size is decreasing. That is, when we go away from the axis, magnification decreases. This is known as magnification decreases with increase of the axial distance from the center is known as barrel shaped distortion. Here this is the object, this is the image. Image can be formed in two types, either barrel shaped or pin cushion shaped. Barrel shaped means from the center towards the corners magnification is decreased. This is the barrel shaped distortion. In pin cushion shaped distortion, from the center away from the axis, the magnification is increased, that is image size by object size is decreasing. This type of distortion is known as pin cushion shaped distortion. In this way, distortion is two types, barrel shaped distortion and pin cushion shaped distortion. That is, this is also aberration, distortion aberration, that is image is not exactly like as object. Image may be like this or maybe like this. If it is image is like this, not like object, this type of distortion is barrel shaped distortion. If image is like this, then it is known as pin cushion shaped distortion. Okay, distortions this type of distortion can be eliminated by using thin lenses. To eliminate distortion, a stop is placed in between two symmetrically lenses so that pin cushion distortion produced by first lens is compensated by the barrel shaped distortion produced by the second lens. How it is, we will see. See here, in this case stop is placed before the lens, then we get the barrel shaped distortion. If the stop is placed after the lens, we get the image like a pin cushion shaped distortion. To eliminate this, we place the stops in between these two. That is, to eliminate a distortion, a stop is placed between two symmetrical lenses so that pin cushion distortion produced by the first lens is compensated with the barrel shaped distortion produced by the second lens. So because of this, we get the image exactly like as the object. In this way, we can eliminate this distortion type aberration. Understood? Thank you.